Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Gemini. So watch this video if you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, then the link is again in the description. Now let's see messages for Gemini. If you don't already know, I'm a Gemini Sun myself, so hey Gemini. Gemini readings are very frequent on this channel, so yeah. Now let's see messages for Gemini. Okay, give me the present energy for Gemini. What is happening in Gem's life? 9 of Wands. Okay, some of you might have blocked somebody, or you're planning to block somebody. You're very guarded up when it comes to love. You feel that you need time to open up, or you just don't want to open up to somebody right now. You feel that you just want to be left by yourself, like you don't want anybody's help, and you're like, I will do whatever I have to do in my life and I don't need anybody. And I see you are also making plans for something, so you have a idea on your mind and you are making plans to move forward and do this. It could be a career thing, it could be love or whatever. 10 of Wands. Gemini, you guys are working a lot these days. I feel you're working your ass off, and some of you really need to unburden yourself. All right, so it's good to work hard, but it is bad to have a burnout, because some of you, I feel that you are almost on the verge of hitting a burnout because you have taken a lot on your plate, more than you can chew. All right, so in your work situation, try to take help from other people. Like recently, I was also working on a lot of projects at once, and then I was hitting burnout and all of that. And then I just hired somebody and we delegated the work, and now I am feeling much better. So some of you, if you know, and one more thing, if you are somebody who's trying to do everything by yourself, because that could be because of a perfectionist attitude where you feel that I'm going to do everything by myself because nobody can do it as good as me. That is wrong. You need to learn the art of delegation, because I see that when you will delegate and you will loosen your load, things are actually going to move in abundance. So money is going to come in, your work is going to become much better. So in whichever area of your life you feel that you are overburdened, so either take rest, or if you can hire somebody, maybe then hire. All right, if it's work situation, hire somebody, or if it's a love situation, then maybe just take rest. All right, you need to take some rest. You need to tap into your feminine energy. I see you are very much in your masculine energy, and now it is creating chaos in your life. Okay, what is coming towards Gemini next? Good news and a new beginning. I see that you have been waiting for some sort of new beginning or turn of events, like a passionate new beginning. You were maybe having your mind onto a business thing or career situation or whatever. Like you were desperately looking for a change. You were desperately looking for that one opportunity, and that is coming in. I see very unexpectedly this is going to happen, so just be very careful that you don't miss onto it, because you know, aces shows that things are going to happen very quickly, and then they will you know, like things will just get out of the window very quickly as well. If you do not make use of the opportunity is going to vanish, so be very careful. A lot of your focus is on money and work is what I see, because you see this is all about work, and then this is about money, and then you're looking for a new change. So these days you're more focused on your money, your goals, and this looks like a long-term thing. So you're planning for long-term. You might be investing in something, and you're just trying to focus to get yourself stable in the long term. Some of you are already making retirement plans, and you want to save for your future. You want to get stable for your future. So something like that. Chariot card. Your emotions might also be all over the place. So some of you need to, and you know, the Scorpio season just ended and it was very heavy, and with the moon transiting into the sign of Pisces very soon, full moon I guess, and there is an eclipse coming in. So just be careful that your emotions are going to be all over the place, and you need to take care of your mental health. All right, some of you really need to balance your masculine and the feminine. So one side of yours is dominating, and that is creating a lot of chaos in your life. So either you are working too hard, or either you're taking a lot of rest. Whatever it is, whatever you're doing, do the opposite. Okay, what happened in Gemini's love life in recent past? Gemini's love life. Fool card. Somebody was very immature. This person was not giving you commitment is what I feel. However, I see it was like a love at first sight kind of thing, or you guys had a very unexpected chemistry between both of you. Some of you, it was an Aquarius that you were dealing with. Things started very quickly and they ended very quickly. What else? Somebody was just being very immature. See, so you are coming up as someone who's Queen of Pentacles, and this person is coming like a fool. And literally they were like a fool. They were behaving like a fool, all right? I see some of you, you were providing in this situation, not only emotionally, but maybe monetary as well. As maybe you were spending money on this person, or maybe you were just trying to become their father or mother, you know. So you were just trying to, you know, you just adopted your boyfriend or girlfriend, Gemini. So you were not only their boyfriend or girlfriend, you were also a parent to them. And that's where you made a mistake, because this person started taking you for granted. Some of you, this person was manipulating you. So, you know, they were trying to manipulate you to do things as per them, and you did that. So yeah, very amazingly, they played mind games with you, and you kind of got up in that, and you got manipulated. So yeah, some sort of immature, and somebody testing your patience, and somebody making you do things as per them, and you did it. Okay, what are this person's intentions towards Gemini? Six of Pentacles. See, they were just a taker in the connection. I see this person was all about taking things from you. They wanted you to take care of them, maybe pay for their expenses, or just like extend help every time. So they were expecting you to do all the work, and you were doing it, Gemini. You were doing it. What's the present energy of Gemini in this love situation? Three of Swords and Ten of Swords. Of course, if you give more than it is required, you will be taken for granted, and things end up, right? So yeah, maybe an ending has happened. Some of you, there was a third party situation, so maybe, you know, they just had you to take advantage, and then they were just fucking around with someone else. So some of you, this person might also have ignored you, so they might have blocked you, deleted you, or they were not replying to your messages, and things just ended between both of you very suddenly. And it was not because of differences. I see it was because of a third party situation. Some cheating, lying, or betrayal was definitely involved here. This person has given you major trust, isn't it, Gemini? After this situation, I feel that is why you're very guarded, right? In the present energy, and you're just trying to divert all your attention to work, because you have developed major trust issues when it comes to love, because you have faced something very difficult. Right from somebody acting childish, never taking their part in the situation, like always expecting you to do things, manipulating you, and then finally ghosting you. Okay, what is coming towards Gemini's love life next? Three of Cups. There is love showing up for you. Some of you are going to have more than one option, but you might not be as interested. I'm not saying that you're blocking it completely, but Gemini, you might just talk to somebody, but you know, your mind is still stuck somewhere else. So you might be very much involved in your work or money, or you're just trying to take care of yourself these days. Like you are just being very independent, and you just want to be by yourself, that kind of energy. However, I see that there is somebody interested in you love-wise. This could be a water sign or an earth sign that's coming towards you. They find you very beautiful, independent. So your independence is kind of a turn on to them. Somebody likes the fact that you are very independent and beautiful. They are interested to communicate with you. However, you see Five of Pentacles, but because you had an abandonment issue in the past, you're just not paying attention. Some of you need to be more optimistic in life, because you know what happens is, if you go through some sort of situation which gives you trauma, the trauma keeps resurfacing in your every relationship. So you kind of self-sabotage all the good things that come towards you, because you just get paranoid, right? Anytime somebody tries to approach you, you're like, oh, this person is a fuckboy or a fuck girl or whatever. Like, this person is not going to give me whatever I want. And you kind of build a wall in front of you, all right? So it's like, that's a human tendency. It's a human psychology, all right? When you have gone through trauma, you tend to repeat those thinking patterns. Some of you, you're overthinking and overspending also. You're making good money, but just be careful that you don't overspend and become broke, all right? Be very careful. What is the advice for Gemini? 5 of Swords. Be very careful. I see some of you, somebody is wearing a false mask, and I think you will get to know about it. I think some of you already know about it. There could be somebody who's acting like a friend, but they are not what they seem. All right, so that's your advice. And also, Gemini, don't be paranoid of everybody. That's also an advice for you, because I see that definitely. And by the way, you might be seeing 555 a lot these days, so that is if that resonates, then maybe this is the message for you. Some of you need to be less paranoid and more trusting of people, but don't blindly trust. All right, especially when it comes to money, be very careful, because I see some sort of deception can happen. Also, you need to balance your life. As I said, either you're working too hard or you're taking a lot of rest. One of the two. Like, don't become a panda. Work, but don't work hard. I mean, don't grind unnecessarily. Okay, what else? 4 of Pentacles. Some of you also feel, see, you're holding back from saying something or doing something. It's like you are feeling an urge to say something to somebody, but you don't want to do it because you feel that it might just ruin things and then you might regret it later on. So maybe to your ex or to somebody you want to say something, but you're just holding yourself somehow. You're like, Gemini, don't say. So I see that, you know. Okay, let's see this person's next energy towards, next action towards my Gemini, whoever Gemini is dealing with. 10 of Cups. Somebody wants to have a be-all, end-all with you. I see, Gemini, if you're single or if you're looking, then there is somebody who's coming towards you, possibly a water sign or an earth sign. And this person is looking for a be-all, end-all with you. So somebody wants to have family with you. You also might be looking forward to get married. So if you are, then maybe next 3 months could be significant for you. Somebody is ready. Yeah, 9 of Cups. You are manifesting a relationship. Some of you are going to have an option in love. So you will be choosing between 2 options. And I think you are aware of who am I talking about. But there is somebody who is very much interested to take this relationship on to the next level with you, and they want to get married. However, you are just very, very guarded as well. So be careful of that. And that is because you are very guarded because your past trauma in relationship, your failed relationships traumatize you. You need to be more trusting of somebody. Okay, what else? 3 of Wands. There's like an unfinished business between you and someone else. So see, you might have walked away from them, or maybe you just feel that love is not for you, but love is coming towards you. And I see clarity. And you know, this is like a wish fulfillment. Gemini, some of you were manifesting relationship, but you were not trusting it. Yeah, there's definitely a new beginning coming in, which is very fulfilling as well. But the problem is that you yourself were not trusting. You were like, how can love come in my life? Like, I've never been successful in life when it comes to love. How can a relationship happen in my life? So you need to stop doing that negative self-talk with yourself. Like, shut the fuck up and receive the blessing that's coming towards you. Like, stop being a bitch, Gemini. Really? Okay. When you manifest something, the first rule of manifesting something is to trust that it is going to happen. Like, you can't be telling to yourself, after manifesting relationship, you can't be telling to yourself, oh, this is never going to happen. Like, are you kidding me? Like, what the fuck? Some of you, your love life or your life in general might be affected by children these days. So maybe you might be having a children and you have to take care of them or whatever. And that is kind of an obstacle in your life these days. So be careful of that as well. Try to take help from somebody, maybe your parents or someone, to raise the children or look after the children. Like, don't try to do everything by yourself and then have a burnout. All right? Okay, give me a message for Gemini. Worth waiting for and flirt. See, you have been manifesting a relationship and I see it is coming into your life. And I see it is coming at the divine timing. So maybe it's like you were manifesting for a relationship and then it did not happen at the very moment when you wanted it, and then you kind of gave up on it. But the message is that it was not happening then because it was supposed to happen in the divine timing. So that is why. But yeah, I see that you just need to open yourself to some light-hearted energy, because bitch, you are frustrating yourself these days. You know, when you are in such a chaotic energy, how do you expect relationships to happen? If you want to be in relationship with somebody, you need to have a healthy relationship with your own self first. So practice some self-love and open yourself, because I see a wish fulfillment is happening in your love life. And start telling yourself that I deserve love, I am worthy of having love. Don't try to tell yourself again and again that why would somebody love me? Like, you are having those kind of self-doubts. Like, what the fuck, Gemini? Are you crazy? Geminis are adorable people, alright? People want us. My family is very judgmental of us. I am manifesting you in my life. See, you were manifesting this person. Some of you, when this person comes into your life or when they finally make a move, maybe their family might try to create a little issue in the beginning, but still things are going to work out. And I definitely see all of this is happening because you manifested it. So you were manifesting a relationship, Gemini. Are you my student in my manifestation programs? I think you are. I want to give you all the happiness in the world. But my Gemini does not want to take it. Do you love me? Some of you, you're giving mixed signals to this person, and that's why they're not able to make a move towards you. Stop doing that, bitch. Alright, so that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care, stay safe, bye.